This elegant colonial home is sprawling with space both inside and out. Radiating old-world charm, you will fall in love as soon as you come up the drive. Lovely foyer west/glass stained windows leads into the sun-drenched living room featuring a beautiful brick fireplace and small nook great for reading. Open floor plan seamlessly flows into the dining room west/a 3x5 plant room. Eat-in kitchen is straight out of a magazine west/an incredible amount of cherry cabinets, granite, center island west/seating and gas cooking. Plenty of space throughout west/3 beds, den, home office, playroom. All great for entertaining this summer. Opulent second floor bath boasts a soaking tub, separate massive tiled shower and double vanity. Spend the season grilling on the oversized deck and gardening in the greenhouse connected to the detached garage. Settled on a private 1.32 acres yet close to Route 105, Route 44 and Middleboro Center. A home this grand and west/modern amenities will be gone before you know it.